In this video we will learn how to add new users to the EMS system. From the top right side of the screen, please click on the cog icon. Then click on User Management. This will bring up a list of all the active user accounts on the system. Use the drop-down menu and select Create User. Here we can fill in the details required for the new user account. This account will be a system account and will allow them to log into the system. In this example, let's create a new user called Demo User 2. I will set a password for the account and an example email address. Once complete, click on the blue Add User button. As you can now see, we have a new user account listed called Demo User 2. We now must assign the account privileges. This will set which zones on the system you want that account to be able to see. In this example, I only want the Demo User 2 account to be able to see the ambient sensor zone within the system, and not everything. Once you have set the privileges, click on Save Changes to continue. Now we need to set the permissions for the user account. This will limit the settings that user account can access. For example, you may want to limit user account creation to one member of staff, and the other users not be able to add or delete user accounts. Click on the cog icon at the top right, and select Access Control. From here, click on Manage Users. You can set up predefined roles within the system, for example, an admin role and a viewer role. But in this example, we are going to set the permissions manually. Select the user account you wish to change permissions, then select Manage Permissions. Here you can select the checkboxes for the permissions you wish to grant the user. Leave them unchecked if you do not want the user to have access to that function or setting. Once you are happy with the permissions granted, please click on Save to apply changes. You can now try logging in with the new user account. Log out of your account by clicking on the avatar icon on the top right of the system and selecting Log Out. Now log in with the new user account. In this example, we will use the Demo User 2 account we just created. Once logged in, we should only be able to access the ambient sensor zone within the system, and have limited access to settings. Please continue to the next training video.